Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Jason Chin. I'm from the National Cancer Society, NCSM. Today, we'll be speaking a little bit about HPV vaccination and cervical cancer awareness. So we'll be talking about who gets it, who is at risk, and we're going to talk a little bit about the HPV-related cancers. Now we're going to talk about HPV as well as HPV and cervical cancer. So what is the human papillomavirus? The human papillomavirus is a type of DNA virus, and it's commonly transmitted either by sexual activity or intimate skin-to-skin contact in the genital area. Currently, more than 200 related subtypes of HPV have been identified. HPV infection is common and can infect both males and females. So these are the diseases and the types of cancers related to HPV infections. So if you look at mucosal genital infection sites, you have the high risk and the low risk. The high risk HPV types like 16, 18, 31, 33, 45, 52, 50, and others lead to high or low grade lesions of the genital tract, cervical, anal, penile, vaginal, vulva, and oropharyngeal cancers. So that's the cancer of the cervix, of the anus, of the butt, of the penis, of the vagina area, the vulva area, the female part, and oropharyngeal cancers. For the low risk, it can cause things like genital warts and recurrent respiratory papillomatosis. That's where you have a lot of spots in your respiratory tract. Non-mucosal cutaneous or infection sites will be things like plantar warts, palmar warts, as well as other skin warts. Right? And what type of cancers can HPV cause? So these high-risk HPV strains, what they do is they infect skin cells and cause a mutation to the point where these normal skin cells will start rapidly growing, expanding, and start spreading to all parts of your body, causing cancer. So places like oropharyngeal, nasopharyngeal cancer, anus, penile cancer, vulva, and most importantly and commonly, cervical cancer. Right? And so these are some of the pictures. I'm so sorry for the graphic images, but these are some of the pictures that this HPV related cancers and diseases, this virus, HPV virus, can cause. Cervical cancer, CIN, cervical adenoma in situ, vulva cancer, vaginal cancer, anal cancer, as well as genital warts. Right? So that's it for this first part. We'll talk about who is at risk for HPV vaccination infection later.